Et coucou YouTube. Coucou YouTube, j'espère que tu vas bien. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour ce jeu de ses morts qui est Genshin. Parce que on vient à peine de commencer le stream et j'ai voulu faire un 50-50. Enfin j'ai voulu faire un tirage. On a eu un jaune à 52 pitié, j'ai perdu mon 50-50, j'ai eu Deia et non Colombina C1. Donc voilà. C'est actuellement une grève, mais on va dire que c'est ok. Trust the process comme on dit. Ether bien sûr.
There's still a long road ahead.
Hop. Du coup aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour la World Quest dédiée entre guillemets à Eluga. Et puis voilà. On va voir ce qui se passe. Faudrait que je les retrouve déjà. Ah c'est bon. Vous avez tout, vous avez les miens, vous avez Suno.
Where could they be? This is turning into a major headache.
Ah bah oui. Première fois qu'on le voit. Iluga, cœur ardent des nuits terrifiantes. Chef de l'escouade d'enquête des gardiens de lumière, il est toujours en première ligne lors des combats menant son équipe face aux incursions de la chasse sauvage. De nature chaleureuse, il veille constamment sur son entourage, parfois au point de s'inquiéter outre mesure. Cette tendance est à la fois due à sa personnalité et à un instinct ancré dans ses expériences passées. Pour éviter que la tragédie ne se répète, il a décidé de porter lui-même la lumière afin d'éclairer le chemin de chacun de ses compagnons. Ah bah c'est exactement ce que j'avais supposé du personnage Iluga dans son trailer.
What now, boss?
Bravo.
Forget our brothers and sisters over at the lighthouse waiting to get to work. If we don't have enough fuel, it's lights out for the entire camp.
Ouais.
Yeah, we gotta think
Yeah.
of something, squad leader.
Leader. Aigle.
Don't worry.
Putain mais la responsabilité qu'il a en étant si jeune. Non mais... le pauvre.
Head back to your posts. I'll take care of this.
Elle est pas contente hein.
Traveler, Paimon, good to see you.
Hey there, Itlua! Why is
Ah on n'a pas
everyone
d'autres
gathered here
skins.
at the entrance?
Je pense qu'on aura les skins pour les prochaines quêtes. On dirait que vous avez du pain sur la planche. Que se passe-t-il?
It's fine. Just a minor issue, really. And I'm already on the case.
Come on, Itlua! You're always trying to fix things by yourself on the down low. Just tell us, it couldn't hurt.
Ça ne peut pas faire de mal.
Or is it because you're too embarrassed to say?
Et parce qu'il pense qu'il est trop jeune, enfin il est assez jeune pour s'occuper de tout alors que parfois la responsabilité est trop grande.
No way. I just don't want everyone in town worrying about things that I can handle on my own. But since you're both part of the investigation squad now, I won't treat you like outsiders.
Mais quel homme.
Still, this isn't exactly the place for a chat. Come on in. I'll tell you more inside.
Come on in. Allez. Columbi Goat. Oh, il y a un trésor. Hein. Bah oui, parce que c'est vrai que du coup, je voulais pas. J'ai rien exploré du coup sur Nouvelle Région.
Squad leader, I've compiled what data we have on the bases we can still control. My report is over at the command post.
Got it. Thanks, Roland.
Mais quel homme. Et je crois qu'il y a une chef aussi dans tout ça, mais je sais plus comment elle s'appelle. Ah, est-ce que ce sera jouable? Je ne sais pas. Qu'est-ce qu'elle est belle, hein, Colomina.
Squad leader, our comrades in the east seem to have butted heads with the Fatui. They say they're going to send someone over.
Got it. I'll be over as soon as I can.
Il a déjà deux choses à faire, genre. Ah, écoutez-moi ce petit gros laçon. Hein.
Are you always this busy?
Recently, yes. There's just so much work to catch up on.
Ah oui, parce qu'il était avec, avec nous là, Court's Quest, il me semble. Avec Fins. Même si on l'a pas vu réellement. Donc c'est ça son poste, c'est un KGB. Enfin, une sorte de camion.
You know, Paimon's been wanting to ask for a while now. What are these vehicle thingies
Voilà,
you've
des
been seeing in
stands
the
de
Lightkeepers
nourriture.
camps? They kind of look look like food trucks, don't you think?
Alors, sur t'as déjà pris une pizza ou une calzone, ma chère Paimon.
It'd be awesome if you really could cook up there. But Paimon has a feeling there's more to these things than meets the eye.
Peut-être qu'il peut se transformer en robot de combat.
For real? You mean the type that'd grab a spoon and start attacking you if you said you didn't like its cooking?
Oh, l'imagination de Paimon comme elle est débordante, hein. Je pense que s'il y avait une possibilité que Paimon soit un humain réel ou une humaine, ce serait la meilleure pour théoriser des choses.
Oh,
Hein.
these? Officially, they're called moon wagons. They're transportation tools we made by modifying Snezhnayan mechanical vehicles.
Alors, ce sont des véhicules de transport qu'on a créés en modifiant des engins mécaniques de Snezhnaya. Donc chez Snezhnaya, il y a ce genre de choses. Ouais, en même temps, tu me dis, Snezhnaya a des trains. Hein.
You can think of them as Kuvaki-powered mobile lighthouses.
Des phares mobiles alimentés par du Kuvaki.
They're not quick by any means, but they save us a whole lot of trouble and manpower when it comes to transporting supplies.
Ouais, tu m'étonnes.
As for cooking functionality, I hadn't actually given that any thought. But you know, if we did install a toaster in there...
Vous n'avez pas besoin de prendre au sérieux de ce que Paimon a dit. Hein. L'histoire du stand de nourriture, c'est une blague.
Oh, no. Filling stomachs is a key part of a Ratnik's duties too. Thanks for reminding me of that, Paimon.
Mais quelle femme en fait.
A proper food truck would save us from having to build makeshift stone stoves just to eat a hot meal.
Right? And that way, you could even hold your own bonfire parties too. Except everyone does seem really busy. Not sure they'd be in the mood for that.
The mood for that.
Actually, I really hope that one day we can. Just the thought of it makes me smile.
Trop mignon.
But that day will have to wait. For
Well.
now, at least.
Yeah, it's all because of the wild hunt, isn't it?
La chasse
Yes.
sauvage.
Flint's did send word from the south that the strongest wild hunt anomaly we know of has been destroyed with your help.
Félix nous a effectivement informé depuis le sud que la plus puissante anomalie de la chasse sauvage connue à ce jour était détruite grâce à vous. La plus grande anomalie de la chasse sauvage? Qui Rire ou Dotoré?
But it continues to cause havoc elsewhere, so there's no easing off for us.
Je sais plus, j'ai pas la ref.
Not only must we shore up our bases themselves, we also need to ensure that the roads are clear, which entails dispatching Ratniki
ouais.
at regular intervals to patrol vast areas of land.
Donc je pense qu'en termes de logistique, ça doit être une hécatombe pour lui.
Just listening to all that is kind of tiring already. You lightkeepers sure have it tough.
C'est horrible quand même, hein. Genre chaque jour, chaque moment de leur vie en fait n'est jamais une pause en fait. Ils sont toujours en vadrouille pour protéger, annihiler, éliminer.
And that's just the basics.
Et c'était que le travail de base. Ah.
The real danger lies with those wild hunt outbreaks that suddenly just appear out of nowhere. Such tasks are all handled by Gramps, Flynn's, Olav, and those guys.
Ok.
I can't have Gramps fretting over every last thing, so I've taken over handling of the groundwork.
T'es prêt en charge le travail de terrain? Ah, toi aussi tu participes du coup?
Honestly, compared to our shortage of manpower, supply prep is nothing. To continue on the topic of food, even the best cook in the world couldn't do anything without ingredients.
Ah, si tu veux, j'ai 1000 steaks.
Over the years, many of our former bases have fallen into disrepair, making them ill-suited for long-term postings.
Oh, le Lunaculus là.
At the moment, everyone has to shuttle back and forth between our camps and HQ, leading to fewer and fewer people available for combat deployments.
Vous avez une solution en tête?
Yep, and that's turning this place into a permanent base. And most importantly, what's a Lightkeeper stronghold without a lighthouse?
So, you want to build one here?
Exactly. We'll need it if we're to stand any chance against the wild hunt attacks.
Si nous en aurons besoin si nous voulons avoir la moindre chance face aux attaques de la chasse sauvage.
Which is easy to say, but in practice, I think you've seen enough to know it's not going too smoothly.
Oh, right! Paimon almost forgot that we were here to help. So, what's the issue?
Well, building our encampment will require lots of fuel and supplies. Generally, we bring it all in on
Pyramida.
moon wagons, all the way from Pyramida.
Vous ne pourriez pas trouver des matériaux plus près d'ici? Je vois pas mal de bois que vous pourriez utiliser dans le coin.
If only it were so simple. The main problem is, we need a special kind of oil refined using Kuvaki.
Kuvaki.
It's true
Okay.
that the plants nearby are full of Kuvaki, and they'll keep us going. For a while at least. But supplying the fuel for a lighthouse is a whole other ballgame.
Ah bah oui. Faut que ce soit de manière définitive leur approvisionnement.
Unfortunately, though, there's been no sign of the supplies that should have arrived last night.
Ils ont dû se faire attaquer.
Valdez is in charge of transport, and he's always been meticulous, so it's unlikely that he got careless and missed the timing or something. And that's precisely why I'm worried that they might have encountered some trouble.
Doucement, on respire profondément. Ne vous inquiétez pas trop, j'ai déjà vu ce genre de choses arriver plusieurs fois.
There's always a way out of every jam. Even if that means being trapped inside a sealed barrel or getting buried neck deep.
Elle fait référence au mec de Fontaine, ça je reconnais.
Surely this can't be any worse than that.
Don't tell me that's actually happened.
Oui, voilà.
I guess I underestimated you two again.
Si vous trouvez ça dingue, on a aussi fait un séjour en prison à la forteresse de Méropide.
Anyway, we can have a look around. Maybe they've just lost their way.
Maybe so. Anyway, there's no time to lose, so follow me.
Yep. Let's
Après,
move.
si c'est quelqu'un de méticuleux de base, ça m'étonnerait qu'il se soit perdu. Hein. C'est où? C'est là-bas. Ok, bon, on va faire le tour. Et bah c'est cool. On est déjà sur le début de la quête, on nous dit qu'il y a quelqu'un qui est porté disparu et qu'il y a des approvisionnements pour nous. Je vois pas ce qui peut mal se passer.
Strange. I thought I just heard something. Almost like...
Huh? Have you noticed something, Ilua? Well, that's weird.
On est à l'autre bout du monde,
That's the
comment il
vehicle,
voit.
all right, but there doesn't
Ah,
seem
oui,
to
là.
be anyone around.
Huh? Is someone there? Help! Please, help me!
Il y a même des tombes un peu comme dans le truc de Flint's. T'as eu beaucoup de morts, hein. C'est triste. Ah, qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Jean-Michel? Oula, il y a un bug là.
Squad leader! Thank the gods you're here! Please, help me!
Et il est bloqué dans le truc, c'est ça?
How did you end up here?
It's a long story, but the barrier created by these mandragoras can't be broken from inside, so I've been stuck in here for almost the whole day.
Something about this doesn't quite add up. This place isn't on the main road from Pyramida. Nor
vrai
is it
qu'est-ce
some
qu'il a
sort
fait?
of shortcut.
Et du coup, ça, c'est les mandragores qui ont construit ça. Eh ben, donc.
And as for the Mandragoras, they wouldn't usually bother passersby unless they were trespassing on their territory. In short, I'd like an explanation as to how you ended up here. And a reasonable one at that. Or you
Ah.
might have to stay in there a while longer.
Ah oui, putain, par contre, punitif, hein. Le raisonnement est extrêmement bon, hein.
Whoa! You don't usually see Ilua getting angry. Paimon's kind of scared now too.
Un chef d'escouade se doit être imposant quand il le faut. Voilà.
It's true. Guess being an adventurer really does have its advantages. It's a good thing we're only honorary squad members, or we'd be subject to his discipline too.
All right. Last night, I found the path to our camp blocked by a large group of mandragoras.
Hier soir, j'ai trouvé le chemin de notre campement bloqué par un grand nombre de mandragores.
You know how I like studying insects and plants, squad leader, and it was such a rare sight to see this many mandragoras gathered in one place. I didn't want to miss the opportunity, so I followed them all the way here.
Non mais quel con.
Then,
Ouais mais du coup tu as empiété sur leur truc.
I'm so sorry. I'll take responsibility for this, I promise. How about I cover Night Watch for the coming week? No, make that the whole month.
Oh le truc de raclure. Oh on a déjà récupéré les matériaux tu sais donc on va le laisser là. Non on va le sauver.
You're right. We can discuss the breaking of regulations after we get back. For now, let's concentrate on getting him out of here. I could use your help again, Traveler.
Mais oui, on sert qu'à ça de toute façon.
Oh, thank you.
Trop mignon. Oh, il est gain, putain. Alors comment il joue?
You're in my sights.
13 secondes. Bah putain. FF. Alors comment ça fonctionne ça déjà? Moi je sais plus. Pas par terre. Hein? Et qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Ah d'accord. Normalement ça doit être bon.
Where'd all these monsters pop out from?
Let our
What?
guard down. Prepare for battle, everyone.
Corrosion de l'abîme. What the fuck? Veit, Colombina, Veit.
With one heart.
Close your eyes. The night cometh.
Bon, moi je sais pas jouer. Hein.
Be silent.
Tiens, voilà. Un petit coup des heures là. Dire qu'on aurait pu l'avoir C1, jeu de mort. Je sais pas le seul.
Lost lamp.
Observe.
Wayne.
La saleté.
Disappear. Windblade.
Windblade.
Get him, Aiden. Be gone, Shadow of Darkness.
Ah oui, du coup ça fait sélénocolisation, je sais pas quoi. La la la.
By the frost moon of old.
La ligne noire.
Phew! Finally drove off those monsters.
Il est pas content les heures, hein.
What's going on here? Surely they couldn't have been waiting in ambush this whole time.
The Wild Hunt. The Mandragoras. Huh. I get it.
Did you figure something out, Iloa?
Valdis, I think these Mandragoras trapped you inside the barrier to protect you.
Oh. Ah parce qu'ils ont ressenti qu'il y avait de la corrosion de l'abîme pas très loin, c'est ça? Bah c'est à dire que c'est des bonnes créatures pour détecter quand ça va arriver ou non. Vu que l'œil humain ne peut pas le voir.
They're very sensitive to shifts in their environment. I myself heard some strange murmurs on the way here. Come to think of it, it must have come from the Wild Hunt monsters, who had yet to manifest at that time.
Et bah heureusement qu'ils étaient là.
These Mandragoras must have detected them very early on, which is why they barred your path and prevented you from continuing onward,
Bah les goats en fait.
only to have you follow them anyway, leaving them no choice but to trap you here for your protection.
I see. So that's what was going on. No wonder they refused to leave the area.
They probably only protected you because they detected the scent of grass and flowers on your person. Perhaps because of all the time you spend around them.
Si elles vous ont protégé, c'est probablement parce que vous passez beaucoup de temps près d'elles. Vous portez donc sur vous l'odeur des fleurs et des
Either
herbes.
way, thank you both. There doesn't seem to be any further danger.
Des goats.
There they go. Adorable little fellas, huh? And they didn't even ask for a reward. Imagine if we had them around to watch our backs. We'd never have to worry about being ambushed while opening treasure chests again.
Tiens, tu m'étonnes.
Putting it like that, it was kind of understandable that Valdis would want to follow them.
Mais ils sont tout mignons en plus, les mandragores.
Right? Finally, someone understands me.
Les mandragores, c'est pas une créature horrible en Final Fantasy? Je confonds. Bien essayé l'ami, mais ce n'est pas une excuse pour négliger votre devoir. Oh là là, bam!
I know, I'm sorry. I'll take whatever's coming to me.
J'aime bien ces gants là.
All right. Now that we've got him out, let's head back. The others are probably starting to worry.
Je serais pas surpris que certains commencent déjà à s'acquitter. Du coup, on peut
Alright.
construire le
That's the
phare,
issue
non?
resolved and our fuel stocks replenished. Thank you both very much.
Don't mention it. We're part of the team, right?
En parlant d'équipe, comment va Valdis?
He neglected his duty while escorting a supply shipment, which is a violation of our regulations.
Mais c'est quoi la punition?
However, he did encounter a pretty dangerous situation related to the wild hunt, and we didn't end up suffering any losses. As such, as per his wishes, he'll be responsible for protecting the lighthouse throughout its next month of construction.
Bon, ça va.
Hope he doesn't start slacking off again. Now that she's a member of the team, Paimon's gonna start coming down to check up on him. Oh, and see how the lighthouse is coming along too.
Ah, et je pense que... Parce que quand il y a une zone, il y a toujours un truc en mode... vous avez X exploration à faire pour, entre guillemets, améliorer l'état même de l'endroit. Et que ça va faire comme Flint, mais que cette fois-ci, on va pouvoir voir construire le phare, je suppose.
Speaking of which, Paimon wonders what it'll look like once it's all done.
Bah, comme Flint, hein.
It won't be as impressive as the one at Final Night Cemetery, that's for sure.
Ah,
Still,
voilà.
it'll be bright enough to serve as a beacon to guide travelers through the night. So long as we're able to keep people safe, whether from the wild hunt or anything else, our efforts will not have been in vain.
Tellement stylé.
Anyway, I should go back to sorting through our archives. All that work isn't gonna do itself.
Tout ce travail ne va pas se faire tout seul. Pas de repos pour les Ratniki, vous ne vous surmenez pas, d'accord?
Don't worry, we won't be this busy forever. We should be able to put our feet up a bit once this place is up and running.
Alors, bah, même si c'est vrai que bon, certaines personnes n'aiment pas souvent voir ce qui se passe en réel et c'est mis dans le fictif, mais c'est vrai que moi j'aimerais bien voir quelqu'un dans une sorte de situation de burn-out. En mode, il est tellement en train de travailler qu'en fin de compte, des pensées quelque peu négatives puissent lui traverser l'esprit, qu'on est là, nous, pour essayer d'aider. Comme un peu les Ratniki, hein, vu qu'ils font que ça.
In that case, we'll help you out. That way, it'll be done in no time.
C'est toujours bien d'envoyer des messages de par un
Your
jeu.
help would be most welcome, believe me. But I'm sure you've got a lot on your plate already. And asking you to come all this way just to do our work for us, it wouldn't
Ne
feel
t'en
right.
fais pas, on a un TP.
How about this then? If you find anything useful during your adventures and you happen to be passing by, feel free to drop it off.
Si vous trouvez des choses utiles pendant vos aventures, vous pourriez les apporter ici.
Come on, it's no biggie. Like you said, we're squad mates now. Isn't that right, Traveler?
In that case, let me say again that it's an honor to have you as my squad mates.
Mais je pense qu'il va y avoir un truc entre la chasse sauvage et l'abîme. Enfin, entre la chasse sauvage et les mandragores. Parce que non, sinon je vois pas comment... Ah, c'est tout? Il y a fait que ça? C'est les ciels. Ah, attendez, YouTube. On va quand même regarder ce qui se passe là-bas parce que je crois que je me suis trompé de quête. Je pense que c'est ça en plus. On va trust, hein. Mais comment on y va? Non, déjà prenons Colomina.
Taking shelter and listening to the rain cleanse the earth makes me feel safe. Like being home.
Mais oui, mais la pluie c'est la meilleure des choses, ma chère Colomina.
The sky is clear again. We should be able to see the moon tonight.
Ouais, elle est contente dans n'importe quel moyen. Hein. Elle aime bien quand il pleut, mais elle aime bien aussi quand il fait jour comme ça. Comme ça, on peut voir le ciel. Quel goat, quoi. Je crois que là-bas aussi, il y a une quête. Eh bah, et donc, faut apprendre à respirer. Bichette, quoi. Varka.
The
Eh bah
sky is
tiens.
clear again. We should be able to see the moon
Bon, je la mets
tonight.
dans le même truc, hein, ma chère, sur YouTube. Hein. Comme ça, on est bien. Un petit Varka.
Nanina's covering the north, so we'll have Laurent take the east. Right, that's all for now.
Hey, Avarka!
Huh? Honorary knight? Paimon? What brings you to my camp?
Ils sont en train de affronter les... Ah, quoique, j'ai l'impression que c'est plutôt un exercice pour apprendre à embusquer l'ennemi.
Not at all. Any camp of the Knights of Favonius is your camp too. So make yourself at home.
Trop stylé l'aigle. Hein.
Though, you should give me a heads up next time so I can have the quartermaster break out the good stuff for you.
Des bonnes bouteilles.
Is this really the Expeditionary Forces camp? Paimon was expecting it to be a bit more... crowded?
Tried.
Not many from the force are still stationed here. And of those who are, most are out patrolling. Truth be told, it is a bit of a ghost town.
Que font les personnes qui sont restées ici?
We're also gathering all the Abyss-related intel we can. Situation in Nodcry is stable for now, but we must remain vigilant. You never know when the Abyss will come roaring back.
Ouais, parce qu'il y a toujours l'œil de Sauron hein, qu'on voit au loin. Là.
Intelligence is the foundation of any campaign. It's not just enemy movements. Terrain or shifts in the weather can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Moving forward, we plan to form a long-term partnership with the Northern Intelligence Network. Turn this temporary camp into an intelligence station.
C'est pas mal. Hein.
An intelligence station? Whoa! Like the kind in Fontanian spy thrillers?
Haha, as if. Name one book with a camp this lightly defended in it.
Celui qui est avec un campon qui a aussi peu de
During
défense.
these years out on campaign, we've found that different abyssal disasters are occurring all over Teyvat. They're unnaturally cunning, always shifting, with no two attacks quite going off the same.
C'est vrai ça en plus. Hein. Genre... bah, c'est ce qu'on peut voir entre... Mondstadt qui est souvent siégé par... par l'abîme et d'une manière différente. Natlan aussi ça a été pareil. Le Bordeaux de Cray c'est différent. Et je pense qu'il y aura d'autres régions qui vont être aussi infectées par l'abysse de plus en plus. Et c'est là où on se rend compte que même si on arrive à repousser l'abîme, en fait ça devient de plus en plus quoi. Donc au bout d'un moment, je pense que l'affaire du jeu ça va être littéralement... sûrement la déité qui se cache derrière l'abysse, sans forcément que ce soit Nibelan.
I hope to use the Northern Intelligence Network to share our findings, and use that collaboration to keep gathering information on the Abyss.
Je peux utiliser le partager. Ok.
This isn't any one nation's burden. Every day, countless winds blow through Nodcry. I'd say that makes it the perfect place to set up an outpost.
Oh, so that's why. So this is chivalry in action.
Trop mignon. Pourquoi t'as le truc de Dotoré, mon cher Varka es-tu Dotoré?
Well, chivalry's good and all, but in reality, we've only just established this station, and don't even have a good map of the nearby terrain.
Ouais, donc ça va être Pyramida. Donc ça c'est le camp. Ça je sais pas ce que c'est. Ah, ça je crois que ça c'est la base de Dotoré, non? Ça je sais pas.
If you stumble across any building materials or intel nearby, don't forget to bring them back with you.
Bon, j'ai beaucoup de matériaux de construction.
Rest assured, you're our honorary knight. We'll
On a compté sur moi.
One expedition wraps up, another begins.
Ah.
Grandmaster! We've got big trouble, sir.
Ah merde.
What is it?
That important guest we were expecting today? He's
pied de la
trapped at the
montagne.
foot of the mountain.
What? Is it who I think it is?
Personne importante?
Yes, sir, it's him. Most of our available manpower is tied up in patrols. Who do we reassign?
Oh putain, il est surréagi. Hein.
But no need. Just point me in the right direction. I'll handle it myself. Honorary Knight, Paimon, till next time.
Quel beau gosse, ce Varka. Regarde-moi ce footing. C'est qui son personnage important?
Paimon's never seen Varka so nervous. Now she's
Serait-ce un
curious who
informateur
that guest
important?
is. Yeah, that's probably it. Let's follow him and see if he needs help.
Allons l'aider. Trouver la personne. Je sais. C'est où? Ah, c'est en bas. Ah, ouais, il y a des loups. Cœur de loup. Ça, c'est à cause de B, ça.
Help! Please help me!
Voilà.
Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine. Whew. Good thing you guys showed up so fast. Or I might not have made it by sundown.
Je reconnais pas cette tenue, c'est Fontaine?
Praise be. Our essential supplies made it
Oh,
through
putain.
safe and
Et
sound.
tout ça pour des tonneaux de vin.
What kind of supplies are that important?
De l'alcool, c'est forcément
Good
ça.
eye. This here is the dandelion wine we specially ordered from Dawn Winery. Pure Mondstadt in a bottle.
Putain, il va être content qu'il va revenir à mon stat, lui, hein.
You have no idea what it took us to get it here, all the way from there.
Ha! And a fine job you did. You're drinking with us at the feast tonight. Whole camp's been looking forward to toasting you.
Mais bah, tu m'étonnes que ce soit un VIP.
So, the only reason you were in a hurry was to make sure the drinks got there in time? And here Paimon thought you
Putain.
were finally being serious about something serious!
Franchement, plus on entend, plus je vois Varka et où il a envie de boire à chaque fois, et plus j'ai envie d'avoir une cinématique quand on va aller à Mondstadt entre Varka et Venti qui boivent.
What's that? Are you saying drinking isn't the most serious of serious business? Because I'd love to have a drink right about now.
Wait! Please, wait a second. Now is not a good time.
Ah,
Listen to him! First, you gotta take care of the serious...
This is a custom brew. It needs to be kept constantly rolling to prevent settling and keep its flavor. Having sat for so long, I'd say the taste
10%.
is
Quelle
degraded
honte.
by at least 10%.
10%! Unacceptable! Nobody touches a drop till it's ready.
Okay. You do you then.
C'est vrai quel enfer. Comment peut-on ranger
We
ça?
specially commissioned someone to build a mechanism that keeps the barrels rolling.
Ah merde.
Looks like it broke in the fall, though. So
Huile
now,
de
I
coude.
guess we'll have to rely on old-fashioned muscle power.
So we just keep whacking the wooden
Huh?
barrels and roll them to their destination? Sounds like some good old Knights of Favonius strength training.
Les chevaliers s'entraînent comme ça.
Aye, teaches force control and precision. Need both, or the barrel won't stay true to the path. It's basic training for many knights.
En tant que chevalier honoraire, j'aimerais essayer.
Ha, keen on basic drills, are we? Well, Laurent and the others won't be back for a while. Right then, all yours. Don't worry about knocking him a bit too far. Just holler and I'll toss him back into place.
Ok. Alors, après un tonneau de vin avec une attaque normale ou une chargée permet de la faire rouler dans la direction de l'attaque. Si un tonneau dévie accidentellement de sa trajectoire, vous pouvez appeler Harley à Varka pour lui demander de remettre à sa place. Tout là-bas. Oh la vache. Bah du coup on va prendre Heather. Ah quoi?
Back when I was training Noelle, she'd blast the barrels to splinters the second she got nervous.
C'est trop
Couldn't stop her from
rigolo.
cleaning up the whole mess herself afterward. Over time, she became the finest cleaner in the Knights, bar none. Ha, she might not have realized it, but that's
Bon, heureusement qu'il n'y a pas la
progress too.
gravité, hein. Parce que... Ben voilà en fait, c'est pour les bébés.
First time I did this training with Razor, it took us an entire day to finish. Know why? He spent a quarter of the day rolling the barrels, and the other 3/4 trying to figure out what the heck I was talking about.
Ah, trop mignon. Il nous apprend, entre guillemets, comment il a pu entraîner tout le monde. Entre Noël, Raider, Razor. Ah, il faut aller où, là-bas? Bon, ça va. C'est pour les bébés. Du coup, ça va être qui, là? Jeanne? Jeanne au secours?
Gene and Albedo once
Ah bah, rien.
sat me down to have a serious discussion about whether or not the Spark Knight needed to take part in basic training like this. A knight's basic training helps build character. But since the Spark Knight's still so young, I decided to get her opinion. She happily brought her bombs to the training grounds. And so we reached a consensus. We won't discuss the matter again until she's a bit older.
Ah oui, il parle de Clee.
Paimon's hands are sore just from watching you. There's gotta be an easier way, right?
Mais non, easy win, ma chère Paimon. Ni presque.
Come to think of it, you haven't met Rowan yet, have you? Kid's so used to doing things his way, he
Loren.
didn't even show up when it was time for the training. Asked him about it later. He said he went to poke a hornet's nest full of monsters, and as for barrel drills, he didn't think targets that wouldn't hit back were worth his time.
Mais il touche la cause. Ah oui, Loen. Je crois que c'est un personnage qu'on va avoir plus tard, ça, Loen. J'en entends souvent parler. Peut-être un 4 star. Ah, j'ai pas compris le taureau. Donc on va faire comme la bonne vieille méthode. Bien. Allez, vite. Ah, il est parfait là. Hein.
Oh,
So-
Grandmaster! Honorary Knight! They're back!
Il a rapporté de
They're
l'alcool.
back! They're back! Everyone, fall in and give them a proper welcome!
Egbert.
Wow, we're this popular? Paimon feels like blushing.
How the wind carries that scent from afar. Sweet Barbados, it's true. Dandelion wine.
Ils sont trop mignons.
A special brew from Dawn Winery to boot. They're back. All my precious memories, they're all flooding back.
C'est vrai que ça fait bientôt 5 ans qu'ils étaient en expédition et qu'ils sont pas revenus à mon stade, les pauvres.
Oh. So, the welcome isn't for us, is it?
Yes, this is it! This is the taste! It's just how I remembered it.
Oh, stylé, cicatrice.
Amazing. After all
Left
these
lime.
years.
I was starting to think I'd already forgotten the
Aw.
taste of a good Dawn Winery vintage. If the taste hasn't changed, then my home back in Springville probably hasn't changed either. Right?
Ça n'a pas changé, j'y suis déjà
Thank
allé.
you, Honorary Knight.
Je sais plus, je sais pas il parle de quoi. Ah oui. Là, écoutons.
That's enough. Put a cork in it, everyone. Barrels stay sealed until everyone's back. Let's finish the party prep in the meantime.
Finissons de préparer la
Oh,
fête.
yes, sir. On it.
Like I said, drinking is the most serious of serious business.
Oh Oh, la musique en allemand, eh. Incroyable. Quelle position de BG ça quand même.
Oh, sticky honey roast, sweet madams. Paimon never thought she'd get to eat such authentic Mondstadt dishes out here. Wait, where's seen him? He's not passed out drunk in a ditch somewhere, is he?
J'ai vu les capacités de son foie, est-ce vraiment possible?
My mom will catch up when she finishes.
Ah, trop stylé! Oh, ah ouais, lui, il est mort. Oh, les reboots de fou. Donatas. Oh, elle a l'ambiance de fou, elle. Ah putain, c'est Erta. Enfin, pas Erta. Si, c'est Erta, elle s'appelle dans Mondstadt. Oh, le pauvre. Trop marrant. Et toi, pourquoi tu vas pas avec eux, mon cher?
So, what's the hero who saved our savior and brought it back to camp doing in a corner like this?
Qu'est-ce que vous faites là, à boire tout seul?
Truth is, what I've got in my cup is the most special of special brews. It can only be drunk alone.
Qui est-ce qu'il a bu encore? Du whisky?
But since you've caught me, nothing for it. Here, have a cup.
Ah, peut-être du jus d'orange, histoire de se dire lol. Ah, tu bois comme ça? Je le savais, c'est du cidre de pomme.
Got me. Just a joke. Not a drop of liquor on me right now. If you're thirsty for a real drink, go find Yumeni later. She's got plenty in stock. A camp always needs to have one sober soul to guard their drunk comrades from things that go bump in the night. Those have been my standing orders since this expedition started.
Oh, ok, intéressant.
Rotten luck, eh? Just so happens that tonight, it's my turn to be that sober soul. So, on this night when they're all drunk, I
Aïe, aïe,
can't
aïe.
be.
Est-ce vraiment du bol le jour même où le vin de Dandelion devait arriver?
Who knows? Maybe fate just gets a kick out of messing with us. If it had come one day later, maybe I'd have been down there guzzling wine to my heart's content. But if it had come but one day later, maybe you'd have passed the camp by, missed the feast,
C'est
never
vrai.
even had this chance to talk. Nobody can say what choices lead to what outcomes until the time comes.
Où nos choix nous mèneront avant le moment
Just like
venu.
when I decided to lead this expedition out of Mondstadt. Never imagined I'd make it this far.
Et qu'est-ce que tu fais là en réalité, Varka? Parce que c'est vrai que quand on avait vu le trailer, il avait dit que lui, il est là pour la lune, entre guillemets, Mondstadt.
That's how it turned out, aye. But when we marched, all I knew was this. An abyssal storm was brewing up north, one that
Hein?
threatened to scour all of Tevat.
Tout ce que je savais, c'était qu'une tempête de l'abîme se préparait au nord et menaçait de ravager tout Teva. Au nord? Snezhnaya? Parce que Snezhnaya est au nord.
It took us some time to mobilize, but where would the enemy appear? What form would they take?
Ah oui, il parle du nord de notre kraï, du coup, je pense.
That was all a complete mystery to us when we set out. All we could do was gather intel as we marched, preparing for every contingency.
C'est tout ce que vous saviez et vous avez quand même lancé l'expédition? N'avez-vous pas dit que les renseignements étaient la base de toute campagne?
Quick study, aren't you? Alas, the enemy won't sit around twiddling their thumbs while we finish preparing.
Du coup, il a
Every
appris
hour
quoi?
we hesitated, the abyss was devouring the lives of countless people. The sooner we marched, the sooner we could change their fates. That was all the intel we needed to launch this expedition.
Pas étonnant que vous soyez le chevalier de Boré. C'est l'an de Favonius, tout craché.
None of that formality, honorary knight. And you're no different. Your journey's also changed many people's fates.
Alors, je pense pas qu'on pourrait dire de nombreuses personnes, je dirais d'une région entière.
Be it Mondstadt back then, Dvalin, or Nodcry now, the expeditionary force, even my fate too. The fact that we can sing around the bonfire, drinking and thinking about the future,
C'est beau.
none of that could have happened without your arrival, traveler.
Suis-je vraiment si extraordinaire?
Who's to say? Fate's fickle and hard to fathom after all. But as long as you're alive, there's hope.
Quel homme.
The wine we didn't drink tonight, we can have tomorrow. The lads will save my share. As long as we're still breathing, tomorrow will bring more wine and laughter. So cheers to tomorrow, to hope.
Hope. Très très cool hein, quand même. Et du coup on fait... Mais merde voilà. C'était même pas une quête, c'était juste un truc de merde en boîte. Ah il y en a deux? What? Ah non, ça c'est juste pour ça. Hein. C'est ok, d'accord. Bah si, du détecteur de trésors Luna. Ah du coup ils en ont mis deux dans une seule région. Oh les raclures. Ok. Bon, je pense qu'on va faire une petite VOD comme ça. Du coup des vidéos YouTube. Ouais, c'est une petite VOD spécialement pour les points de ravitaillement. je pensais pas vraiment qu'on aurait eu... Je crois que c'était des quêtes, mais on dirait que non. Mais c'est pas grave. Du coup, des bisous.